So today we'll look at briefly at that governor that is pursuing native doctors. Please just stay clear because it's going to be interesting and enlightening. That governor that is pursuing native doctors. Many have alleged that the governor is taking back, bicycle, tricycle, keke, pursuing native doctors. Invariably, native doctors they cry for a hand. They pursue native doctor 247. Now we'll look at the whole issue holistically. Is it right? Pursuing native daughters, is it part of governance? So we'll look at it critically, holistically, most importantly, legally. Now, let's look at the native daughters first. Who are the native daughters? Are they Nigerians? Most of them, yes. If not all, yes, they are Nigerians. Are they covered with, are they backed by rights? Do they have rights? Yes. They are fundamental rights. Do they have it as enshrined in the Constitution? Yes, it is. Now, if they have fundamental rights, rights to, for example, right to association, right to life, right to liberty, right to religion, why is God not pursuing them? Now, look at it. African traditional religion, is it accepted? Yes, it's accepted. That is why you discover that under each state laws, each state do give certificates to approve trial to medical doctors. So it means it's not in that native doctor work is legal or dibia work is legal. So why is Governor Soludo not pursuing them? Now, looking at the work of the dibia charms, is it legal to bear charms, to have charms? Yeah, it's legal to bear charms. So why is Governor not pursuing them? On what basis is the Governor pursuing them? Now, you will recall that for those of you following my videos, what I have mentioned earlier before that going by section 14(2)(b) of the Constitution, it states that the security and welfare shall be the primary aim of government. Security and welfare. Now, Governor Soludo allege that it's after the security and welfare of the people? Remember that in all of this right of the native daughters as enshrined in um, chapter 4 of the Constitution, starting with section 33, which is right to life, 34, right to dignity of human person, section 35, right to personal liberty, section 36, right to fair hearing, just like that, and the rest. These native daughters, they have rights. They are Nigerians. You can in Nigeria, you are free to worship anything. You are free to worship stone, to worship wood, to worship wall, to worship the sky, worship tree, worship anything. Provided as you are worshiping, provided is not detrimental to your next door neighbor. Do you understand? Provided it's not detrimental to your next door neighbor. And somebody will ask me, who is your neighbor? Somebody will ask, who is your neighbor? What is the meaning of neighbor? What is the legal meaning of neighbor? And that brings me to the case of Donoghue versus Stevenson, reported in 1932. Appeal cases, page 562. And the court made it clear that your neighbor is anybody that will be affected by your acts. Meaning, you can be in Edo State and your neighbor will be in Lagos State. Anybody that is affected by your act is your neighbor. Anybody that is affected by your action is your neighbor. It therefore means that I can be in Delta State now and my neighbor will be in Anambra State. Neighbor is not really, it's not legally your next door neighbor, somebody who is close to you, somebody who is sharing boundary. It's not your neighbor. Your neighbor can be, legally speaking, your neighbor can be somebody in UK. Now, this is the bone of contention. This is the cream of the matter. It's very clear. Charm is not wrong. It's not wrong to be a charm. African traditional religion is accepted. But once you begin to use it illegally, it's not wrong. If you bear charms, you now use charms to assist kidnappers, to kill, money ritual, that is where it's not wrong. That is when it turns out to be a crime. That is when the power of the governor comes in to chase you, to prosecute you, to deal with you. Now we can see the difference, the boundary, the thin line. If you are using the charms, you are using the juju, the dibia for your personal safety. You are using it to cleanse your family. Your family worship it. That is, people run native church, go there, dance, as the case may be, go to river. Even the Fanta, I'm not even be able to drink. for 2 weeks. You go to a river and give it to a river. Yes, that is your religion. No problem. Nobody will fight you. But the moment you are not to do, in a layman's language, to do bad, this one they do bad. This one they deal with people. You use the charm they keep people, money ritual, support Yahoo people, the rest. That is when it's now illegal. And that is when you cry for Governor Han. You cry tears for Governor Han. So, in fact, when somebody told me, and it's so funny that governor now they fly back, the opportunity also here and there, they pepper them. Governor they fly back school. And in fact, once you be deep there now, you need to go and hide. If not, you see shege. And that brings to mind, does it mean all DBRs, all native doctors? However, all analysis in this video is subject to the laws of Anambra State, subject to the respective laws. But I'm speaking generally as it is in Nigeria, the general position. Does it mean all the native doctors they will go and hide, or African traditional religion is no longer practiced in Anambra State? No, it's still practiced. But you have to do it the way it is. Do it legally. Don't bear charm. Don't be doing rituals to kidnappers, to aid armed robbers. That is armed robbery. No. That is when it's purely illegal. So please just get the thin line and stay put. And most importantly, don't go against the law, because persons have done it. Nothing have happened. Nothing have happened. No, who knows? You might even be the scapegoat. Stay safe and obey the law.